Ever scrolled through a long Google Sheet and thought, I wish I could just bookmark this section and jump right into it? Well, guess what? You can. Today, I will show you how to bookmark in Google Sheet in just a few simple steps. Let's go. The best way to bookmark a section in Google Sheet is by using name range. For that, select the cell or range you want to bookmark. Then click Data and Name Range. Give it a name, example, hashtag important data, and click Done. Now you can quickly jump to this section by going to Data and Name Range, selecting your bookmark and clicking on it. And that's it. Now you can bookmark and navigate Google Sheet like a pro. So if this felt helpful, like and subscribe for more quick tip tips.